truck. Hey! There are many kids playing in the park. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order?
I'd like to have this.
Tofu and sausage skewer.
I'd like to order this.
Mushroom and beef skewer. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the skewers. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Tofu. Sausage. Mushroom. Beef. Let's skewer the ingredients you've just cut. Sausage. Tofu. Which ingredients should be put here? Sausage. Tofu. Mushroom. Mushroom. Great! All the skewers are ready. Turn on the switch and grill the skewers. Ketchup. Barbecue sauce. Honey. Chili powder. Cumin powder. Black pepper powder. Oh, we're out of gas. Let's have to equip the magical item. Uh-oh, there's a flock of sheep blocking the road. Honk the horn to drive the sheep away. Whoa, the sheep are gone. Let's go.
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car. We're out of ingredients. Let's buy some at the supermarket. We need to buy these ingredients. Let's find them together. one. Keep looking. Great! We've bought all the ingredients. We can open for business again. There are many people in the movie theater. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order? We want to have this strawberry popcorn. Juice soda. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the popcorn first. Tap the button to turn on the stove. Pour the ingredients into strawberry sugar. Butter. Corn kernels. Stir it. The ingredients are mixed well. Wow! The kernels are turning into popcorn! Crunchy popcorn is ready! You're great! Now let's make the juice. Slide to cut the fruit. Excellent! You've cut a lot of fruit! Press the button to start juicing! Spin it to add bubbles to the juice. Lastly, let's add some toppings to the juice. Wow! You made delicious juice! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! There's going to be a party at the beach! Let's go there and sell things! Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Uh-oh! There's a flock of sheep blocking the road! Honk the horn to drive the sheep away! Whoa! The sheep are gone! Let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order? We want to have this round cotton candy. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the cotton candy. What flavor of sugar do you like? Blueberry. Grape. Wow, it is so big! Let's decorate it! Wow, the sweet cotton candy is ready! Wow! The amusement park is having an event! It's so lively! Let's go there and sell things! Which one do you want to make?